Everything for my son so emo aqua baby back into TV so Miss we need him say ne no face that we need walk into TV so my so best kawami now wash out to other parts from my comment or comment section I say emo rain fish so be notification ben so man same be broke into TV no I first person when you some be no who near coso a war on my garden mo ba fe face na me nya jima kwenye say dia no me mun sama e twego na ye de evremo na ebusianfo in some day I be
presidential staffer under President Mahama, a board member on the Public Utilities and Regulatory Commission PURC ya okasa den edema the NDC neglecting the root ye the CPP. Kwame Jantua a political analyst who are appear at various media platforms now on various political issues or your former CPP member and they was so neutral but to be our ne Kwame Jantua ebeko a media platform be him say on kasem no na ni jina bie aye so clear say NDC ni PV Jantua that same crowd while rise to the stand say while compete as an NDC chairman aspirant in the Ashanti region. Entino adia na synonymous to the Jantua formula na the ideology of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, the CPP ideology and they need naira because of interest said the Mishas na America. Na America the saying na no joda ensuyiri kasia etoy ana ensuyiri kasia ekoso ewon kan bra na ensu ato for several hours na casualties with respect to Nipa Ahwere kwa a number over 30. Forget about the interior minister, a number over 30. Enra, 2 bodies, any retrieval every alajo. 1, a teenager or more, to be confirmed say your bar. The second one cried, they also need to be a man to me who say your bar, say or your bema. And the death toll keeps on rising. Brebianoa. In fact, say, let's clear the debris. Let's ensure that the place is clean up. Not to say, bodies are and or air recover. And it sounds so ya, a toy na no jwade. Nana ya Jantua, Echo, Asempa, already know the call UTV, Akoka say, Ghana Meteorological Agency, and on your disobordinate bow or San say, or my Yomajumaye. Enra, Oko Ekosi saying, Ewa Asempa. Eko repeating the same thing. E de kwashishe edum ni adan. Ya ate se so bone ba kokra wanfa amo na banya ete akonwa so. Na onua bema Kwame Jantua enso eko eye channel 1 user onu de osu. So osu ni se ni tamu nyoma nyina eko japade nyina ya onua ba kokra na enjoy bie ni nyina asay. Me video so amebobo ede achrewo underscore but adie manana Jantua ehon eye edikani article da manimi eye Friday the 31st of May 2019 eye modern Ghana for the capture Nana ya Jantua, former general secretary of the CPP, a political and social analyst, has attributed the recent floods which have destroyed hundreds of homes and killed many in Accra to the Akufo-Addo-led government negligence and disregard for human life. She said the failure of the Akufo-Addo government to desilt the Odo River, the Kole Lagoon, and several primary and secondary drains in Accra during the dry season is the major reason for the current looming disaster, explaining that why many non-flood prone areas are currently being flooded for the first time. 31st of May 2019. Nana ya Jantua no. Enedie ose Ghana Meteorological Agency ofiri ho no mu a osade hihye adum ni adan. Yankɔ ne yankotie Nana ya Jantua nsɛm a ɔkeka edefa so yire no. Na afi onua bɛma nso kɔtra TV so esu a ɔno susu edefa so yire no ho no. Memfa no nso enka ho. And first of all, yankotie Nana ya Jantua.
When the storms were going on, was he
for
there?
Helicopter?
No, but
helicopter.
Me pacho. I am asking you, say when Dr. Baumia then you no toy no koyana. Was he there?
So we are comparing the two now.
No, you are telling me that Baumia went.
And now also in your to non confer in Sionum immediately. So Monday no Monday no piana.
Every person says President Mahama so on condensium fanana. He went to see helicopter. He went. Okay. What did you say? You are telling me Senka or no Dr. Baumia condensium fanana.
Oh, say ma in Siono tono no Nam Sintianko on Fancy man. I know Monday. We woke up in the morning for the Minister of Interior to tell us, say, Mo bien fifi, meboa. Ama people were concerned, say, na yeah, you will fear a threat to our own existence. What do we do?
We're not in the rain. His Excellency Mahama took a helicopter in bad weather to see an aerial view of what is going on. And then the money is sensitive. I'm asking you. Aerial view. Because I came fence or far from
drones.
Me pacho, you find the of far from.
Even there is to him.
So given
that helicopters have crashed before. Even there is
in one vein you are telling us a helicopter no fire any bonnie.
No, the
in another vein you are telling me say a risk.
You are justifying the helicopter.
But you say a risk.
She's drawing your attention.
But it wasn't risky. She said of a bad way.
Beyond the risk is the insensitivity. Say nipa da so jire nsioma edukra walk on no man paying a free in shame.
And one can
go and no other phone.
And you're one that can say, and this a fence you know when there's an alert to say, you may go out.
But who said, baby, and now the free banner say, this now, Mummy, to say, oh, penny. A dom penny FIM no, and yet the same day Nana and a Dr. Baumia call out.
I'm just making an idea.
Manenlande, Akosia Missel.
There is some points in the name.
Oh, dear, Manenlande, say, if you can be seen as
on your ordinary communicator, science presidential.
Manenlande. Nanaya.
The insensitivity.
What is insensitivity?
It's you will respond.
What is the insensitivity?
Cozy, you will respond. It's Manonland. It's an this no, sir, any the same than I say the.
They are trying to say, His Excellency and code the same day. We want to say in the same way, no, Sanka said there was an alert. Say, Nisi a carbon thing. So, which is which?
My God.
The person sat in a helicopter to see an aerial view of Asema Esi. In that bad weather, he put his life for Ghanaians to sit in that helicopter to see. Because you see, okay, I'm funny so see from. Even in the rain, the storm and everything, yes, Ghanaians were suffering. But sitting in that helicopter, and it gave him an idea of exactly what the level of the disaster was. I don't think that he was even sitting in to protect himself or anything. So where is the insensitivity? People choka me. Even the fact is all tisa a wow boss said it was a risk to his life. Obia wa no insensitive no obeti made in the life at all.
No, so bad with the moon or see that's even risky.
I am telling no, but you people are telling me say no insensitive. So insensitive to himself or insensitive to Ghanaians. They should tell me.
See, that was the only option. To assess
my intika, which was the other option?
When
it was raining, okay, give me the options.
Drones were.
They'll give me the options. The drones say no drones, take aerial view. He wanted to see himself.
If Nana ya jantoa ensem ena etwagu ye na tese ode hye adum ni adan and she's blamed almost everybody except the government she is now benefiting from as a member of the CPP, who is transitioning to the NDC because of partisan parochial interest. Now, Onia Bema, Kwame Jantua, a lawyer, political analyst, and so, and Nerichiremu, Ewo, Channel 1 News. Also, or say, Onia Banchi break kakara because in so no any NDC, any MPP. Enim CPP na wono the japade nyina ase se what studio waka say dia aka no ne hyete hye no ne shoe hye enti ori aba ntwetwe break kakra Kwame Janto aso koka sama yenti a enam se onua ba se why tilted toward the NDC no no akasa so kasa o making the stars known say all kasa dia ma the NDC nti ono so to me micro nani wa kwasta tia from 1966 history ena wode ma as if said ye 1966 na na ekoso fla yenko ne yenko hwe said ye kwame dantoa enso dia werho ni sun eka na kosem about flooding na ekoso enano edwade na yemeto afos.
I have lost everything. Oof. Everything in my house is gone.
Victim.
Everything. I had one shoe left. That's what I'm wearing.
Please share the video.
The only thing is that my wardrobe, my televisions were hanging on the wall, and my wardrobe is higher. Lost everything. Most importantly, my books. All gone.
Oh no.
Look, Israel, good morning to our viewers. The intensity of the water I saw on Monday, I
Morning.
realized water has force. Water has force. It was waist level indoors. My freezer, my cooker, name it, all gone. My mattress, my bed, all gone. And I don't want us to talk politics. It's not political. It's a failure of the system.
Yeah.
66 years we've been flooding. 66 years Accra has been flooding. Go back to April 1960 and see. We've been flooding for 66 years. Government come and go, come and go, come and go. Nothing. Shouldn't talk politics. This is a national issue that we need to all sit and deal with. Drains. Look, it got to a point, my gate was closed and I was standing on my porch and the water was coming and I realized if I don't open the gate, it just dam the water and keep it rising. I had to walk through. And that came right up to my chest. Israel, it is not a sight for anybody to see. And the people around my area, all of them, their houses got flooded.
Cars too.
And you know the sad thing about it all? It took me 7 hours to drain the water.